Looking for a powerful, quiet air compressor that won't wake the neighbors? You're in the right place. From fixing tires to professional spray painting, the right silent pump makes every DIY task effortless. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best quiet air compressors that offer the perfect mix of power, portability, and silent operation. Let's find the ultimate tool to supercharge your workshop. Number 1. SucceBuy Silent Air Compressor. The SucceBuy Silent Air Compressor is a versatile and high-performance solution for users who need a reliable air source without the distracting noise of traditional models. Available in power ratings from 900W to 1800W, this oil-free portable air pump is specifically designed for tasks like tire inflation, dental clinic use, and home repairs. Its standout feature is its ultra-quiet operation, making it ideal for indoor environments where noise control is essential. Because it is oil-free, it requires very little maintenance and delivers clean air, which is a major advantage for sensitive work. The compact and portable design allows you to move it easily between your garage, workshop, or job site. Built with high-strength materials, it offers excellent heat dissipation and a long service life. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this whisper compressor provides the perfect balance of power and silence. It is a dependable choice for anyone looking for a clean, efficient, and quiet air compression system that won't disrupt the surrounding environment while getting the job done effectively. Number 2. SucceBuy 12V Air Compressor with Tank, 3L/6L. The SucceBuy 12V Air Compressor with Tank is a specialized system built for automotive enthusiasts and heavy-duty vehicle owners. Designed primarily for train horns and tire inflation, this system comes with a 3L or 6L tank capacity to ensure a steady and immediate supply of pressurized air. Operating at 120 psi, it provides enough force to power loud air horns or quickly fill up large tires during off-road adventures. This 12V system is perfect for installation in trucks, cars, or SUVs, connecting directly to the vehicle's power supply. The integrated tank ensures that you have stored air ready for use, reducing the wait time during operation. Its robust construction is designed to withstand the vibrations and demands of vehicle mounting. The built-in safety features, such as automatic shutoff when the pressure limit is reached, make it both safe and user-friendly. For drivers who want a reliable air system for safety signals or emergency tire maintenance on the road, this SucceBuy compressor kit is a compact and powerful must-have tool for any long-distance journey or specialized vehicle setup. Number 3. AZZUNO Silent Air Compressor, 500W. The AZZUNO Silent Air Compressor is a lightweight and exceptionally quiet 500W oil-free portable pump designed for precision tasks and home maintenance. This unit is particularly popular for car maintenance, tire inflation, and light-duty spray painting. Its oil-free design ensures that the air output is free from contaminants, which is crucial for achieving a smooth finish when painting or maintaining delicate machinery. The main appeal of the AZZUNO model is its portability and low noise level. It is small enough to be stored on a shelf and light enough to be carried with one hand, making it perfect for hobbyists working in small garages or apartments. Despite its compact size, it offers consistent pressure and reliable performance for daily household repairs. The intuitive controls and clear pressure gauges make it very easy for beginners to operate safely. If you are looking for a budget-friendly, low-maintenance, and ultra-quiet compressor for light DIY projects or keeping your vehicle tires in perfect condition, this AZZUNO unit provides great value and convenience without the hassle of loud, heavy equipment. Number 4. High-Performance 12V Air Suspension Compressor. The High-Performance 12V Air Suspension Compressor is built for serious power, durability, and demanding automotive tasks. Designed with a strong 200-300W motor and an impressive airflow of 50 liters per minute, this compressor can deliver up to 200 psi of pressure, making it ideal for heavy-duty air suspension systems. It helps maintain proper ride height, vehicle balance, and suspension stability under different load conditions, especially for trucks, SUVs, and off-road vehicles. The included 23A high-durability compressor is capable of handling larger truck tires, airbags, and towing applications with ease. Unlike standard portable inflators, this unit provides faster inflation and stronger pressure output for professional-grade performance. Its weather-resistant and rugged construction allows it to be mounted inside or underneath the vehicle for long-term use. For off-roaders, towing enthusiasts, and heavy-duty vehicle owners, this compressor is a reliable and powerful solution. Number 5. SucceBuy Oil-Free Air Compressor, 750W, 3000W. The SucceBuy Oil-Free Air Compressor series is a powerful and efficient solution for both home garages and professional workshops. Available in models ranging from 750W to 3000W, it offers excellent flexibility for users with different air supply needs. Whether you need simple tire inflation, auto repairs, or power for industrial pneumatic tools, this compressor delivers strong and reliable performance. Its oil-free pump design ensures clean air output while reducing maintenance costs, since there is no need to monitor oil levels or clean greasy filters. The larger 3000W models provide high airflow for demanding workshop tasks, while the 750W version is ideal for smaller repairs and personal use. Despite the high power, these compressors are built to operate with lower noise levels than many standard industrial units. With portable wheels, a strong handle, and durable construction, the SucceBuy series offers long-lasting value and convenient mobility. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.